This is not a crime. He locked his keys in the house. He lives here. We will verify that later. But we're going to document this just to let you know it's all legit. Here. If I die, he owe me money.
We're documenting this odd situation. And that is the window we're trying to reach. From way down here. They've never done this before.
How much is this worth?
You're about to have low battery, so I don't know. Are you ready?
Don't do this at home.
Are you ready? You can do it. Ay, Dios.
I don't care if you got to throw the screen down and we'll just leave it off. Just throw it down. It's real stable down here. It's not.
But now everybody knows how to do it.
Alright, don't nobody got a ladder. Everybody don't got a ladder.
I mean, it wasn't even like you guys were quiet about it. You walked down the middle of the street with it.
I don't care if you got to rip the screen off. Just don't fall.
Oh, don't say that. Looking good. You're doing great.
Is it high enough? Yep. Throw it down.